are going to love the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.